Okay, good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Uh,
Okay, what we discussed in last lecture? Any idea?
Definition of convolution and convolution theorem.
Yes, and we also done some examples for convolution and inverse
Yes, sir.
Laplace transform of convolutions. Huh? Okay, so in last lecture we have started with here. Okay, the definition of convolution. Then we discuss about the convolution theorem. Then we find the simple convolution of two functions. Then we discuss about the Laplace transform of convolution, and also we have discussed about the Laplace inverse of the two composite functions. Okay, so this is the discussion of last lecture. Okay, and we I think we stop here. Okay, s upon s plus 2 s square plus 2. Okay, today I want to discuss about the most important part of Laplace transform. I mean, it will ask 100% in your exam. Okay, so application of Laplace transform. Solution of ordinary differential equation is one of the most famous application of Laplace transform. So how we can deal with that examples, or how we can deal with the application part of Laplace transform. Today we will discuss about it. So before going to discuss about the application of Laplace transform, first we know about the Laplace transform of f dash t. I already discussed about it, the Laplace transform of derivatives. Okay, so if you have first derivative, then the formula for Laplace is s into Laplace transform of f of t minus f of 0. Means if you want to find the Laplace transform of dy by dt, okay, dy by dt. So what is it? S into Laplace transform of y of t. Okay, s into Laplace transform of y of t minus y of 0. Okay, that is the Laplace transform of dy by dt. S into it. You can also say that y bar s. Okay, Laplace transform of y of t is nothing but y bar s plus, sorry, minus f of 0, that means y of 0. Okay, this is the Laplace transform of first derivative. Similarly, you can discuss about the Laplace transform of second order. Okay, that means Laplace transform two times differentiation of any function is equal to s square Laplace transform of f of t. Means here you start with the second power of s, so s square Laplace transform of t minus s f of 0 minus f dash 0. Similarly, you can define the nth order derivative also, but if you want to find the third order function, that means Laplace transform third order derivative, so it will be s cube Laplace transform f of t minus s square f of 0 minus s f dash 0 minus f double dash 0. Means you decrease the order of s, means s cube s square s. Okay, then Laplace transform of t is fixed, f of 0 is fixed, f dash 0 is fixed, then next term will be f double dash 0. Okay, similarly you can define the fourth order, fifth order derivative of Laplace transform. Done. Okay, any doubt up to here? Student, any doubt up to here?
no, sir.
Okay, what about others? Mihir, Prithviraj Singh, Soumya, Dhairya? No? Okay. So now we discuss about the example. Okay. Solve following differential equation using Laplace transform. Okay. So we want to solve this differential equation, second order differential equation, with the help of Laplace transform. Here given that y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. That means here both points are same, so it is the initial value problem. Okay, so y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e raised to t is our differential equation of the system, and we have initial conditions y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. So we want to solve this. So there are 5 steps, most important 5 steps to solve this differential equation. Step number 1, apply Laplace transform both the sides. Step number 2, replace the value of y of 0 or y dash 0 or y double dash 0 in that equation. Step number 3, convert all equation in y bar s is equal to something. Step number 4, apply inverse Laplace transform both the side. And step number 5, find the Laplace inverse of all the terms, then that your answer in y of t. Okay, आपका आंसर किसमें मिलेगा? y of t is equal to something. That is the 5 step example. Okay, so यहाँ पे you have to follow this 5 step, then you can find the solution of any differential equation. So we start with first step, means apply Laplace transform both the side, means you have to Laplace transform left hand side and Laplace transform right hand side. So look at here. Okay, so this is the your first example. Okay, y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to e raised to t with y of 0 is equal. Okay, here there is a condition will be changed. Y of 0 is, yes, same example here. Y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. So we start with the given differential equation. So y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e raised to t. This is your equation number 1. Suppose Laplace transform y of t is equal to y bar s. You have to remember this whenever you substitute y bar s, it is nothing but Laplace transform y of t. Okay, keep in your mind. Apply, this is your step number 1. Okay, apply Laplace transform on both sides of equation 1. We get what we get? Laplace transform y double dash plus 3 Laplace transform y dash plus 2 Laplace transform y equal to Laplace transform e raised to t. Here you can see that. Okay, Laplace transform y double dash plus 3 Laplace transform y dash plus 2 Laplace transform y is equal to Laplace of e raised to t. Now, if you substitute all the formula of derivative, then you get following step. That means s square Laplace transform y of t minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0. These 3 terms comes for first term. Okay, then second plus 3 s into Laplace transform y of t minus y of 0 for second term, plus 2 Laplace transform y. There is no formula for Laplace transform y. This is the simple Laplace transform. Okay, is equal to Laplace transform e raised to t. You know the Laplace transform e raised to t. It is nothing but 1 upon s minus 1. I substitute all the formula of Laplace transform here. Okay, any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay, then rearrange all the terms with the value, substituting the given values. What is given value? Y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. There is a y of 0 and y dash 0 in our step. So you have to put their values. Okay, so s square y bar, Laplace transform y of t nothing but y bar s minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0 plus 3 s y bar s minus 3 y of 0 plus 2 y bar s. अब आपकी सबसे ज्यादा गलती कहाँ पे होता है? ये स्टेप में, क्योंकि ये 3 आप एक ही टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो एग्जाम में और सेकंड टर्म में भूल जाते हो, उसकी वजह से पूरा आंसर आपका चेंज हो जाएगा. योर आंसर विल बी चेंज. ओके, सो कीप इन योर माइंड देयर इज अ मिस्टेक. ओके, तो आपका वहां पे मिस्टेक हो सकता है. नाउ rearrange all the terms, means I want to find the y bar s from about equation. So there are 3 terms in my equation. So s square plus 3s plus 2 y bar s will be common. Now y of 0 is equal to 0 or 1? Y of 0 is, yes, y of 0 is 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. So substitute here, sorry, yes, y of 0 is equal to 1. This is your 1. Okay, and this is your 0. So what is your next term? So s square plus 3s plus 2y bar s minus s into 1. So minus s, this will be 0. The minus 3 into y of 0 means minus 3 into 1. So minus 3, and yes, is equal to 1 upon s minus 1. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. Then convert this whole equation into y bar s. That is your step number 3. This procedure is your step number 2. Okay. Then next is, this is your step number 3. Convert whole equation into y bar s is equal to something. So here minus s minus 3 will be right side. So 1 upon s minus 1 plus s plus 3. Now if you divide by coefficient of y bar s to right side, so y bar s is equal to 1 plus, here they are taking LCM. So s plus 3 into s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 into s square plus 3s plus 2. This is your step number 3. So if you solve this, open it, then s square plus 2s minus 2 will be there, divided by s minus 1, s square plus 3s plus 2. This is your equation star, and this is your step number 3. Now here you can see which method we can apply for inverse Laplace transform here. Any idea?
Third equation.
Third equation means third case. Okay,
Yes,
that means
third case.
you have to apply partial fraction every time in every example. Understand? Okay, so for that, look at here, s square plus 2s minus 2 upon s minus 1, s square plus 3s plus 2. I start with the partial fraction. Now here you can factorize s square plus 3s plus 2 into two factor s plus 1, s plus 2. Okay, so what is the partial fraction of this? So a upon s minus 1 plus b upon s plus 1 plus c upon s plus 2. So here, as you know, s square plus 2s minus 2 is left hand side, and here a into remaining terms means s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus b into remaining terms s minus 1, s plus 2, and plus c into s minus 1, s plus 1. Okay, now as you know, whenever linear factor is there, then we substitute is equal to 0. That means s minus 1 equal to 0 to find a. So what we substitute in equation 2? We have to substitute s is equal to 1, or okay, for to find the a. Here I start with s is equal to minus 1 to find b. Okay, so s is equal to minus 1, then substitute s is equal to minus 1 means minus 1 square means 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 equal to, this will be 0, this will be 0, so only b term will be there. So b minus 2, 1. So we get minus 3 is equal to minus 2b, and we can find b is equal to 3 by 2. Now to find c, we substitute s is equal to minus 2. So substitute s is equal to minus 2 both the side, we get 4 plus 4, sorry, 4 minus 4, because that is minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 equal to, term of a will be 0, term of b will be 0, only c is remaining. So c into minus 3 minus 1. So we get c is equal to minus 2 by 3. And to find a, substitute s is equal to 1, as I already mentioned. Then 1 plus 2 minus 2 equal to a into 2 into 3. It gives a is equal to 1 by 6. So we have a, b, c. So substitute a, b, c in equation 2. We can find s square plus 2s minus 2 divided by s minus 1, s plus 1, s plus 2 equal to, a means हमारे पास है 1 by 6 divided by s minus 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by s plus 1 plus minus 2 by 3 divided by s plus 2. Now we can apply the inverse Laplace transform both sides. So that is our step number 4. So apply inverse Laplace transform both the sides in equation star. So what we get here? Laplace inverse of y bar s. And what is our y bar s? Y bar s is nothing but Laplace transform of f y of t. Am I right? So it gives directly y of t. Okay. Done. Okay. So Laplace inverse of y bar s is nothing but our y of t. Now left hand side will be clear. Okay. So focus on right hand side. So we get a upon s minus 1. That means Laplace inverse of whole term. Okay. Plus Laplace transform of the second term and Laplace transform of third term. Okay. So here you can see in next term y bar s is equal to 1 by 6 over a. So 1 upon s minus 1 plus 3 by 2, 1 upon s plus 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 upon s plus 2. This is our equation star. Okay. Taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides, we get here y of t. On left hand side, as I already discussed with you, 1 by 6 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 1 plus 3 by 2 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1 minus 2 by 3 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 2. So if you 1 by 6, if you have substitute the formula for all three terms, then you got your solution. That means what is the Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 1? It is e raised to t. Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 1 will be e raised to minus t, and Laplace inverse of 1 upon s plus 2 will be e raised to minus 2t. This is your final solution of given differential equation. Okay, any doubt, dear student?
No, sir.
Okay, what about remaining students? Let me inform. Harish, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Soumya, Daria, Darshil, Drumil, Suresh, and there is a D2D student also.
No, sir.
Okay. D2D student 500 and 501.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got any doubt?
So this is my first lecture, so I don't
Yes,
understand.
That's why I am asking you. Okay.
Uh,
And what about 501? 501 is there? D2D 501. Okay, don't be panic. Okay, D2D student. There are many videos for you. Okay, so I will send you link of that videos. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
So please give me your email ID.
Hmm.
Okay, and I will provide you all the links of video.
Okay, sir.
Please mail me on jimitpatel.maths@charusat.ac.in.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. What about other student? Nihir, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is your most important part of our unit. Okay. So you can apply Laplace transform for solution of differential equation. Okay. So this is your solution of first example. Now try for second example. Y double dash plus y equal to 1, y of 0 is equal to 1, and y dash 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Try for this. Then I will discuss. You have 5 minutes. Okay. Try for this example, dear student. Then we will discuss.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, what? Can you say your email ID, sir?
हाँ, Jimit Patel dot maths @ charusat.ac.in. Okay, you can mail me on this, so I can provide you all the videos.
Okay, sir.
And if you found any query or any doubt, then you can also discuss with me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Are you doing, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we go with step by step? Okay, तो हम step by step चलते हैं, तो ताकि आपको पता चले कि how we can deal with this example. Okay, तो step by step में सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, तो please write down this differential equation and give it in equation 1. So y double dash plus y equal to 1, that is your equation number 1. Now apply Laplace transform both sides. So what we get, Laplace transform y double dash plus Laplace transform y equal to Laplace transform 1. That is your step number 2. Okay, अब आपने दोनों साइड पे लाप्लास अप्लाई कर दिया है, तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म y डबल डैश, यू नो दैट s स्क्वायर लाप्लास ऑफ y ऑफ t माइनस s y ऑफ 0 minus y dash 0, that is your term expansion of term 1, plus Laplace transform y equal to Laplace transform 1 means 1 by s. Okay, so you can see here, that is your step number 1. यहाँ तक सबने कर दिया?
Solution visible.
Sorry, solution, you got
Visible.
solution.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Laplace transform y double dash plus y equal to Laplace transform of 1, Laplace transform y double dash plus Laplace transform y equal to Laplace transform 1. If you substitute the formula of Laplace transform y double dash, it gives the 3 terms. Okay, it can expand as 3 terms. Then Laplace transform y is as it is, and you can say it is y bar s, and Laplace of 1 means 1 by s. These are the formula for that. Now substitute y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. So this will be 0, okay, and this is 1. So you have s square plus 1 from first and last term, you have s square plus 1 into y bar s minus s is equal to 1 by s. I think you all are reached at this term, this equation. Am I right? यहाँ तक तो सबने कर दिया होगा. Okay, now move this minus s on right side. So we get y bar s is equal to 1 by s plus s by s square plus 1, means s plus 1 by s divided by whole s square plus 1. Okay, so here you can expand, you can taking LCM. So 1 plus s square, look at here, 1 plus s square divided by s into, sorry, s into s square plus 1, s square plus 1. Okay, I think there is no clearly write down. Okay, so as 1 plus s square divided by s square plus 1, so both factor will be cancelled out, so only you have 1 by s, so there is a 1 by s only. So we have third step, y bar s is equal to 1 by s. Now what is our step number 4? क्या है step number 4, कौन बताएगा?
Inverse.
Sorry?
Inverse.
Okay, inverse Laplace transform. So that means you can apply inverse Laplace transform both sides. That is your step number 4. So here you have to mention it. Okay, you have to mention, or you have to write down a sentence for that. Apply Laplace inverse Yeah, apply inverse Laplace transform both sides. Then you can go for the next step. Laplace inverse of y bar s is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 by s. So what is the Laplace inverse of y bar s? It is nothing but y of t. Okay, as I already discussed in first example. And Laplace inverse of 1 by s, it is 1. So this is
One.
the final solution of your given differential equation. Okay, how many students got it? Raise your hand. Yes, good. Nisita, yes, Vidhi, good. Drumil, yes. Jaisa, good. Very good. Okay, no problem. And is there any problem, student? किसी को डाउट है? ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल एग्जांपल था. Yes, Suresh, good. Darshil, good, good. Okay. Okay, good. Now go for next example. Okay, we go for next example. Look at here. Next example is d square y divided by dx square plus 4y equal to 0 and y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash 0 is equal to 6. So try for this example. Example 3. Okay, then we will discuss. Okay, we start with step by step. Okay, so what is step number 1?
Laplace on both sides.
Okay, inverse Laplace transform both sides. First, write down the given differential equation, and it is d square y by dx square plus 4y equal to 0. Then give its name as equation 1. Then apply Laplace transform both sides. That is your step number 1. Okay, so what is our next step? Laplace of d square y by dx square plus Laplace of 4y equal to Laplace of 0. Okay, so d square y by dx square means Laplace transform d square y by dx square plus 4 Laplace transform y equal to Laplace transform 0. So what is the formula of Laplace transform d square y by dx square? It is s square y bar s minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0 plus 4 y bar s is equal to 0. Okay, write down it. Have you got any answer? This is your third example. Okay, y double dash plus 4y equal to 0. This is your equation 1. Then apply Laplace transform both sides. So we reached at this step. Okay, now substitute the value of y of 0 and y dash 0 in this equation. So we get s square plus 4 y bar s minus 6 equal to 0. So y bar s is equal to s plus 6 divided by s square plus 4, and if you separate it, so s upon s square plus 4 plus 6 upon s square plus 4. This is also partial fraction, but it is in rearrangement form. Okay, means उसको हमने arrange किया है. It is also done by partial fraction, but it will be lengthy. So you can directly write down as s upon s square plus 4 plus 6 upon s square plus 4. Now step number 4, and it is the inverse Laplace transform. So apply inverse Laplace transform both sides. We get Laplace inverse of y bar s is equal to Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 4 plus 6 Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 4. So what is the Laplace inverse of y bar s? It is nothing but y of t, means here Laplace inverse bracket Laplace of y of t. So Laplace and Laplace inverse both are inverse process. So we get y of t is equal to, what is the formula for s upon s square plus 4? It is cos 2t. Yes, plus 6 here 1 upon s square plus 4. So Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 4 is, what is the formula for Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus a square? It is sine at by a. So here a is equal to 2 square. Okay, so 2. So we get 6 by 2 sine 2t. Okay, now what is our final answer? So y is equal to cos 2t plus 3 sine 2t. Okay, how many students got it? Raise your hand. Good. Okay. Yes. Good. Part. Good. 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 Okay. Done. Okay. Most of the students. Okay. Any problem? Student? Okay. So we go for next example. Okay. Fourth example. Solve following differential equation using Laplace transform, and given differential equation is d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 5y equal to e raised to minus t sine t, y of 0 is equal to 0 and y dash 0 is equal to 1. Try this. Okay, so start with first step. What is it? Apply Laplace transform both sides. So here you can see that I apply Laplace transform both sides. So we get Laplace transform y double dash plus 2 Laplace transform y dash plus 5 Laplace transform y equal to Laplace transform e raised to minus t sine t. Okay, so what is the Laplace transform y double dash? It gives 3 terms. So s square y bar s minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0 plus 2 Laplace transform y dash will be s y bar s minus y of 0 plus 5 y bar s is equal to, here e raised to minus t is in multiplication. So we have to use first shifting theorem. Okay, so what is the first shifting theorem? So first find out the Laplace transform sine t, and what is it? 1 upon s square plus 1. Then replace s by s plus 1. So we get 1 upon s plus 1 whole square plus 1. This term will be due to the first shifting theorem. Okay. Now you solve it with the values y of 0 is equal to 0 and y dash 0 is equal to 1. So we get here y bar s will be common. So s square plus 2s plus 5 into y bar s minus 1, because y of 0 is equal to 0, y dash 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So we get y bar s minus 1 equal to 1 upon, if you open this s plus 1 whole square, so we get s square plus 2s plus 2. Okay. Now step number 3, convert this equation into y bar s is equal to something. So y bar s is equal to 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2 into this factor s square plus 2s plus 5 plus 1 is go to right hand side. So 1 divided by s square plus 2s plus 5 is there. Okay. If you take LCM, then it will be very complicated. Okay. So please keep in your mind, means अगर आप यहाँ पे 1 को पहले मूव कर देते हो और सीधा LCM लेते हो और उसके बाद डिवाइड करते हो, तो वो थोड़ा बहुत ही लेंदी हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा ये स्टेप को याद रख लेना ताकि आपको थोड़ा काम इजी हो जाए. Okay, so here I take partial fraction by arranging the term. Here how we can arrange? So 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2, s square plus 2s plus 5. So if you notice here, 2 and 5 will be changed, other terms will be same. So we can rearrange that as, I write down slowly because I have no mouse. So look at here, s square plus 2s, okay, plus 5. Okay, I write down plus 5 here first. Okay. Minus second term. What is our second factor? S square plus 2s plus 2. Okay. So after opening this bracket, what is the final answer?
Three.
3. Okay. Okay. So I rearrange that in this way. Both factor will be same, okay, in denominator. So I can arrange numerator accordingly. So if I multiply 3 and divide by 3, so I can manage by this way. And understand? So there is no need to take partial fraction of these two terms. So directly you can write here s square plus 2s plus 5 will be cancelled out. So 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2 minus 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. 1 by 3 will be common outside of that, plus 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5 as it is. Okay. Now 1 by 3 into 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2 as it is. Now if I club these two terms, means if I merge these two terms, so I have 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 3 is nothing but क्या मिलेगा? 1 minus 1 by 3 will be
2 by 3.
2 by 3, and this is your 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 into 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. Now this is the method number 2 of inverse Laplace transform. Rearrange the last term. Okay, so if you want to apply the inverse Laplace transform, so first rearrange the last term of that quadratic form. So 1 upon s square plus 1 whole square plus 1, we can write down s square plus 2s plus 2 as s plus 1 whole square plus 1, and also s square plus 2s plus 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. So s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Okay, so now you can apply inverse Laplace transform both side. We can find Laplace inverse of y of t is y of s, y bar s is equal to y of t. This is your y of t is equal to 1 by 3 is as it is. Now here original Laplace inverse is 1 upon s square plus 1, and 1 upon s square plus 1, Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 1 will be sine t, and here s is s plus 2, so e raised to minus t will be multiplied by that, plus 1 by 3 e raised to minus t into sine 2t. Okay, first shifting theorem. So 1 by 3 e raised to minus t sine t plus sine 2t. Okay, how here 1 by 3 is comes down, because 2 by 3, from 2 by 3, 2 will be inside. Okay, I am taking 2 inside due to a upon. Okay, so here rearranging that, so we get 1 by 3. Okay, so this is your final answer. Y of t is equal to 1 by 3 bracket e raised to minus t sine t plus sine 2t. Okay, how many students can done it?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, raise your hand. Yes, good, 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 good. Many students can do it. Okay, good. If you done it, then your 4 marks, you got your 4 marks. Okay, means इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल 100% इंटरनल एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल में पूछे जाते हैं. ओके, होगा ही होगा, क्योंकि इसमें पूरे चैप्टर का सभी कॉन्सेप्ट आ गए. ओके, ये जो एग्जाम्पल है उसमें आप देखो, पहले हमने लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म अप्लाई किया, उसके बाद उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं फॉर्मूला को, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर इनवर्स लाप्लास भी कर रहे हैं. लेकिन लाप्लास एंड इनवर्स लाप्लास की जितनी भी मेथड हमने स्टडी किए, वो सारी मेथड यहाँ पे रिपीट हो रहा है. ओके, तो यही एग्जाम्पल काफी है आपका लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म चेक करने के लिए. देन सो एग्जामिनर will always ask this type of example 100%. Okay, so focus on this type of examples more. Okay, now we want to discuss the last example of this method. So d cube y by dt cube plus 2 d square y by dt square minus dy by dt minus 2y equal to 0, where y is equal to 1, dy by dt is equal to 2, d square y by dt square equal to 2 at t is equal to 0. यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन करने के लिए स्टेटमेंट को चेंज करके दिया है. हाउ दे कैन चेंज? हियर y is equal to y of 0 is equal to 1. ओके, मीन्स ये सारी तीनों जो वैल्यू दिया है ना, वो कौन से पॉइंट के लिए? 0 के लिए. मीन्स y of 0 is equal to 1 हो जाएगा. आपके आगे वाले एग्जाम्पल की तरह अगर सोचे तो dy by dt, that means y dash 0 is equal to 2 and y double dash 0 is equal to 2. मीन्स सिर्फ उन्होंने वर्डिंग में दिया है. ओके, तो आप उसको कन्वर्ट करो हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ एंड उसके बाद उसको डील करो. डन? ओके, तो डू दिस एग्जाम्पल, देन वी विल डिस्कस. Okay, try for this. Done, student? Are you doing? Parth, Vidhi, Nishita, Hari, Soumya, Danya, Meer, Jay, Rumil, Suresh, Bikudi, 500501. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can verify your steps here. Okay, this is your example. dq y by dt q plus 2 d square y by dt square minus dy by dt minus 2y equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. Okay, ordinary differential equation. So we can write that in this way also. Y triple dash plus 2y double dash minus y dash minus 2y equal to 0. Dash indicates the how many times differentiable that function. Okay, apply Laplace transform both sides, so we get s cube y bar s minus s square y of 0 minus s y dash 0 minus y double dash 0 plus 2 times s square y double dash minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0 minus s y bar s minus y of 0 minus 2 y bar s is equal to 0. If you rearrange all terms and if you substitute the value of y of 0 is equal to 1, y dash 0 is equal to 2 and y double dash 0 is equal to 2, so we get s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2y bar s is equal to s square plus 4s plus 5. How many students got this equation? कितने लोगों को ये मिल गया?
मिल गया सर.
ओके, यहाँ तक तो सब लोग पहुंच गए होंगे. ओके,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. Okay, no problem. Then convert it into y bar s is equal to something. So we get s square plus 4s plus 5 divided by s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2. So s square plus 4s plus 5 divided by s minus 1, s plus 1, s plus 2. How we can factorize it? So there is a method. कौन सी मेथड हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे? सिंथेटिक डिवीजन. ओके, आता है ना सबको सिंथेटिक डिवीजन? यहाँ पे आप कार्टेन्स मेथड अप्लाई करने जाएंगे तो बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, है ना? सिंथेटिक डिवीजन आता है ना सबको? रिपीट करने की जरूरत है? सिंथेटिक डिवीजन में देखो, हाँ, एक बार फटाफट रिवाइज करवा देता हूँ. एस क्यू प्लस 2s माइनस s minus 2 equal to 0 आपको यहाँ पे कंसिडर करना है. We substitute s is equal to 1 first. So we get 1 plus 2, that means 3, minus 1 means 2, minus 2 means 0. So s is equal to 1 is one of the root of that equation. Okay, so you have to start with the coefficient of that equation. Means s cube का coefficient 1 है, s square का coefficient 2 है, s का कोफिशिएंट -1 है and last -2 constant. Okay, now what we replace? S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1. So here put s is equal to 1. Now start with 0 and we got 0 after last, at last. Okay, so here if you add 1 means vertical will be adding and cross will be multiplied. So 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 into 1 will be 1, so 2 plus 1 means 3 and 3 into 1 means 3. So we have -1 plus 3, that means 2, and 2 into 1 gives 2 and -2 plus 2 will be 0. Now how we can write? Here we substitute s is equal to 1. So first factor is your s minus 1. Okay, so now how we can write second term? So second term will be 1 into s square. So s square plus 3 into s. So 3s and last term will be plus 2. Okay, so plus 2. Now, if you factorize the quadratic factor s square plus 3s plus 2, we get s plus 1 and s plus 2. Okay, any doubt in synthetic division? Student, any doubt?
No.
Okay, now,
No, sir.
okay, now if you do partial fraction of this term, means s square plus 4s plus 5 divided by s minus 1, s plus 1, s plus 2, then we get divided by s minus 1 plus b divided by s plus 1 plus c divided by s plus 2. If you solve that and find out the value of a, b, c, then we get a is equal to 5 by 3, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1 by 3. I done that directly, so try for this, check or verify this two step. Okay, so we have 5 by 3 into 1 by s minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 s plus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 upon s plus 2. Now apply inverse Laplace transform both sides, so we get y is equal to 5 by 3 into e raised to t plus e raised to minus t plus 1 by 3 e raised to minus 2t. This is your final answer. Okay, for given differential equation. This example is little bit lengthy, but you can do. Okay, any doubt up to here? Anyone got this answer? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Daria, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so do practice of this type of example. I already sent a PDF file of our unit. Okay, so you can practice from that. Okay, any doubt in today's session?
No, sir.
No?